Guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create polls into your Zoom meeting. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to create polls into your Zoom meeting, you will need a premium account of Zoom at first. If you don't have premium account of Zoom, first of all, take premium account of Zoom, or you should just simply skip the feature of polls if you can't buy the premium account. Now if you have a premium account of Zoom, just simply open any of web browsers, and after that just simply open the zoom.us site, and after that just simply go into this web liners option, and after clicking into the web liners option you will directly see the option of polls into this section. I haven't upgraded my account into premium, so I cannot show you by enabling the option, but you will directly see the option and easily enable it from this section if you have a premium account of Zoom. I hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.